Okay, video started, Dad.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, our last two attempts cracked. Our first two attempts did not crack. Now here's the
First
fourth attempt.
1, 2, 3. First 3 didn't crack. Second 2 cracked the aluminum hub assembly.
Okay, also this is our third attempt of video. So, hope you guys like it. Also, this is a, okay, what is this?
It's the pin we're trying to drive out with the press.
Yeah. It looks weird. Very, very weird. Okay, back to this. Also, these two.
Oh, too far.
Yeah, it does make a noise that doesn't sound very nice to me. Also, you have to have two of these little guys to do it.
Arbor plates.
And then you need like these little guys, these guys.
Impact sockets.
Impact sockets. And then he's placing this little guy in. Now he's gonna lift it up, I think. Just by a tiny bit.
Just trying to square it up, true it up.
Uh-huh. It doesn't seem crooked.
But it's kinking off to the side, and I think that's why it keeps breaking. Because it's pushing at an angle, pushing out instead of straight down.
Yeah. Also, I think he has 3 little magnets here.
Got a bunch of little magnets all over the place, don't
Yeah,
I?
here's one, here's another, and then another, and then there's another.
Why do I have all the magnets, Abigail?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, I don't.
So I can put stuff that I want to hold later. Don't have to worry about it.
Like
Where I
this
put it.
little guy, that's the one that was right here. Nope, right here. Okay. Oh, he took it down, but he put it right there. It was right here. Now he's making it go up. Right? And if he sticks it in here, he's making and do that. Going up and down, it makes it go down.
Doesn't matter.
Oops. That's why. I was zoomed in all the way for some reason.
What was it doing while you were zooming?
Oh, bubbly stuff. Yes, I love the bubbly stuff. What does the bubbly stuff do?
It's a little bit of, it's like a WD-40.
I think we won't crack.
Nope, this one's not cracking.
Yay. I think we finally got a good video. Also, you might want to put on gloves for this. Also, Dad.
Yeah. That's probably why it cracked.
What?
Because the whole thing's loose.
Oh. Oh, God. Why did that happen? Just pauses.
That's what we're trying to get off. Right there.
Whoa, guys. That thing looks oily.
It is.
Ugh.
It soaks inside oil inside the motorcycle. Oh.
Also, Dad,
Yeah, baby.
can you show your face?
No.
Aw.
No faces.
Can I show my face?
Nope.
Aw.
You stop the video. Cut.